There is one tool that I love. It's the issues log. I love the issues log. It helped me in one of my first projects because every time that I had to report the project, I had the financial part, I had the outputs, outcomes, everything was there, all the indicators, and then comes to the part that you have to write something about what have you learned this last quarter. So okay, then I start thinking about it. So the issues log would be a very good tool, but my team didn't like it. I was not able to make it work at all, and I couldn't understand that. And I realized it was the name issues log. People don't like to report issues. So we change a little bit the tool, we change a little bit the components, we put some other details, and we change them for learning tool, and it worked. And that's like I said, man, that's what I like in Project Pro, because you can adapt, you can rename it, the name, call it as the way you want as long as you use it. But remember that you need a common language to your whole team. So if you change anything, you have to share with everyone.